All right, what up, y'all? So, finally got some time. Just finished up this Jeep, did the transfer case fluid in that, and then did some tinted lights and some little vinyl stuff here and there on the Camaro. But all of that's out the way, so I'm good for the day. So, time to go ahead and lift this up, and we're changing these brakes today, putting on these drilled and slotted rotors that I got off of eBay. I think that was like 160 or so for the whole set, front and back rotors and pads. So we're gonna see how good these things work. And I gotta do the front, then the back. I left my other jack stands in the other car, which is not here, so I can't lift the whole car up at one time like I originally planned on doing. I need to get one of those quick jacks, but I don't know when I'm gonna actually get one. But about to lift this up and take these wheels off, clean them, and change these brakes. And again, if you got a vet, you really should get you some of these little jack and pucks. Make it real easy to lift this up without having to worry about where to sit the jack and all of that. So pretty dope. Should get you some. All right, so wheels are off. Still gotta clean them, but they off. Rotors ready. One thing I didn't know before I got this car is there's a difference in the rotors between driver side and passenger side. So that's something different. But yeah, the rotors are different on the left and the right for the front and the back. But they come labeled so you don't get it mixed up or nothing. So pretty interesting. But now I think it's a 15 millimeter bolt up here to get this caliper off, get these pads out, and then 21 millimeter to get the bracket off so I can get this rotor off. So got some ratchets, got a breaker bar, so hopefully this is enough to get off because I don't have an impact. So we're just gonna have to muscle our way through this, but hopefully this is enough to get it done. And then we can get to the back. Oh, and while I got all of this off, these sway bar links got to get changed too because they are pretty much shot. So sway bar links all the way around. Can you see? There you go. Yeah, so get those swapped out and check all of these ball joints and everything because I might end up having to come back and change some of this stuff out. Eventually I'm getting new shocks. Not yet. Been an expensive month as far as fixing random stuff, but probably get the C6 shocks. Maybe next month, I guess, or month after, I don't know. But probably be getting shocks soon, and yeah, that joint need to be changed too. That's coming off the tie rod, I think. So yeah, I'll come back and get all of that next time, but for now, brakes and sway bar links. All right, so caliper's off. Just a 15 millimeter bolt up here. I could hold it by hand, but hit it with the ratchet on that little bolt right there, and then you have to kind of hold this piece steady a little bit because it'll start to twist when the bolt twists. So hold that, and yeah, it'll come off pretty easy. But old pads and new pads. These are, like I said, these ceramic, so should do pretty good. But now time to get this off, which is the 21 millimeter bolts. So those might take a little more effort. Might need the breaker bar because I didn't need it for the other one. So we'll see. And then I got to clean this caliper up, and before I put everything back together, get all this brake dust off of here. So I ended up getting the bottom one off. Found the impact. My brother had one laying around, so I got the bottom off of that. Couldn't get the top loose with the impact, but I got it loose with this breaker bar. Ended up turning the brakes to be able to get a good angle on it. So it's probably gonna be some trouble with the back if I have to do the whole turning deal. I have to take some stuff loose, but we got the front loose. So let's figure this out, and then we'll see what the back has in store. All right, so rotor is off. ready for the new stuff. Just gotta clean all of this up, and definitely gotta get some tie rods soon. So that's where all this extra noise and clunking is coming from. But old car, I hadn't changed anything since I had it, and it looks like it hadn't been changed too much for whoever had it before me. But ball joint's still good though, so that's a plus. Maybe that was changed, but definitely gotta change those out, and should be good on the front end after that. They sure look good though. Alright, what's up? So I'm back. The rain kind of cut everything off yesterday, but this side is done. Swipe by links are in. So brakes are done on this side. I just gotta take the sway bar links out, replace it with these Moogs on this side, and then the front is done. Then I can get around and do the back. Right, so front brakes done. About to go ahead and wipe these down real quick, get them a little cleaner, and put them back on. I might have to do the back a little bit later. I'm supposed to have another car coming through, so I might have to put mine on pause so I can get that car done and then pick up on mine after that. So this might be it for a minute. All right, so the front is done and looking great. I gotta do some touch-ups because somewhere in here I dropped this caliper, so there's a couple scratches on it. But you know, I'll get to that later. But before I can finish the back, I gotta mess with this. Scat Pack just came in. I'm painting the calipers on this one so they go in yellow to match with the little B logo. So I'm gonna finish this up and then get back to finishing this vet. All right, so I'm back. Got the back off. I ended up doing an impact again, and this one, the caliper came off way quicker than what the front one did. So got that off. About to put the new one on and change out the sway bar links back here. Same deal as the front. I got to get new tie rod ends because these are shot. So that'll be the next thing. But for now, we're just doing the brakes and these sway bar links. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this caliper off, clean the bracket, put all this new stuff on, and then go to the other side. All right, so I'm finally finished with all of this. Got rained on 2 days in a row, but we got it done. So drilled and slided rotors, a little dirty, but it'll come off in a second. I still hadn't left yet, so I'm about to go ahead and do the whole bedding in process or whatever. But rotors are on, new pads are on, and they look great. And like I said earlier, I think like $160 for 4 rotors and pads for all 4. Pretty good deal. But like I said, I'm about to go ahead and drive it for a little bit and see how they feel. So I'll catch y'all in the next video, whatever that is. Next maintenance video for this will probably be those tie rods and what else I need on here. I think that's it for now. Tie rods. So yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one.